This video explains how to get and install the transfer tool, which you will need to upload slides into your Celovision Proficiency software account. To transfer slides, you need to copy slides from your Celovision database and transfer them to the Celovision Proficiency software. You do this by installing the transfer tool on a remote review station running the Celovision Remote Review software version 4.0 or higher. The Celovision Proficiency software accepts slides from either a Celovision processing database, export database, or a Celovision competency software database. Let's get started with installing the transfer tool. Go to the computer running the Celovision Remote Review software and open an internet browser window. Navigate to the Celovision Proficiency software. Log in to your Celovision Proficiency software account and click Slides. Locate the button for the transfer tool. Click to download and save the transfertool.exe file. Make sure to then run it by double-clicking it. Note that you need to have administrator privileges to install the transfer tool. Don't worry if you don't have internet access at the computer running Celovision Remote Review software. You can download the transfer tool from the Slides tab on any computer with internet and simply save the exe file on a USB flash drive. Then, insert the USB flash drive at the remote review station and run the transfer tool installer file directly from it. Now that the transfer tool is installed on the remote review station, you are ready to transfer slides from your Celovision database to your Celovision Proficiency account. Thanks for watching. You can find more information about this topic by clicking on the Help icon in the software.